Unfortunately, Subaru CVTs, we're seeing failures, like catastrophic failures.
The maintenance advice you're getting about your Subaru could cost you thousands in unnecessary repairs. While dealerships push lifetime fluids and owners' forums spread conflicting information, real data from owner communities and technical bulletins tells a completely different story.
They kept seeing these massive amounts of people who are having total transmission failures and replacements early on in the lifespan of the vehicle.
According to analysis from multiple Subaru owner forums, including Subaru Outback forums and Bob is the Oil Guy, thousands of owners face premature CVT failures and engine damage directly linked to 3 widely misunderstood maintenance requirements. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what Subaru of America won't clearly tell you, what independent mechanics discovered through actual transmission teardowns, and why following the owner's manual to the letter might leave you with a $5,000 repair bill.
It has to be CVT. I just recommend getting the Subaru CVT transmission oil.
This isn't about Subaru bashing. This is about protecting your investment with verifiable facts that could save you from becoming another cautionary tale in the owner forums. Let's examine the documented evidence. The CVT Fluid Lifetime Lie. Here's what Subaru of America tells you. CVT Fluid is lifetime. According to multiple Subaru dealership reports documented across Subaru Forester Owners Forum and Subaru Outback forums, service departments routinely claim the transmission fluid never needs changing. The maintenance schedule lists inspect rather than replace for CVT fluid service. But here's what that inspection actually means. According to forum member discussions verified across multiple dealer experiences, the inspection involves checking for external leaks only, no fluid analysis, no condition assessment, just a visual check that takes 2 minutes. Now here's what happens in reality. According to Bob is the Oil Guy forum analysis from April 2024, Subaru's official position in the United States labels CVT fluid as lifetime fill, yet Subaru of Japan recommends CVT fluid changes. The same manufacturer, 2 completely different maintenance schedules based solely on geography. Smart Service, a Subaru specialty shop, documented in October 2023 that Subaru finally started recommending CVT fluid replacement in their warranty manual around 2018 at intervals as early as 24,855 miles for severe driving conditions like towing. Here's the financial reality. According to verified owner reports across Subaru forums, CVT failures after 100,000 miles without fluid changes are extensively documented. The replacement cost ranges from $3,000 to $5,000 depending on your model year. Multiple Subaru dealerships, as reported on Subaru Forester Owners Forum in discussions from 2019 through 2024, now privately recommend 60,000 mile drain and fill services, directly contradicting Subaru of America's lifetime fluid position. The evidence is overwhelming. Subaru Canada requires CVT fluid replacement at 100,000 kilometers, approximately 62,000 miles, to maintain extended CVT warranty coverage according to 2018 forum documentation from Canadian Subaru owners. If the fluid were truly lifetime, why would Subaru Canada void warranty coverage without replacement? The answer is simple. Lifetime means the fluid lasts until the transmission fails, and that failure defines the transmission's lifetime. My recommendation based on documented evidence. Drain and fill CVT fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles using only Subaru CVT fluid or approved equivalents. A drain and fill costs between $250 and $400. Compare that to a new CVT at $5,000. The math is clear. Oil consumption, Subaru's moving target. According to Subaru's official technical service bulletin 02-157-14R revised August 22, 2018, excessive oil consumption is defined as more than 1/3 of a quart per 1,200 miles. However, as documented on Subaru Outback forums and reported by SubaruComplaints.com in July 2015, some service managers claim up to 1 quart per 1,500 miles is normal. The specification keeps shifting depending on who you ask. Here are the verified facts. Consumer Reports survey data from 2010 through 2014 models covering 498,000 owners found that 2% reported needing to add extra oil between changes. That represents approximately 1.5 million vehicles on the road, according to Subaru Complaints Analysis. The affected engines include 2011 through 2014 Forester 2.5-liter engines, 2013 Legacy and Outback 2.5-liter engines, 2012 through 2013 Impreza 2.0-liter engines, and 2013-15 Crosstrek 2.0-liter engines, according to Torque News documentation from July 2021. Subaru extended warranty coverage on affected models from 5 years or 60,000 miles to 8 years or 100,000 miles following a class action lawsuit documented across multiple automotive news sources. However, according to Consumer Reports findings reported by Torque News, significant improvements appeared after the 2014 model year, with 2019 and newer models showing zero oil consumption problems in annual surveys. Here's what you need to know. According to Bob is the Oil Guy forum discussions and technical documentation, boxer engines naturally consume slightly more oil than inline or V configuration engines due to horizontal piston orientation and oil control ring design. Subaru of America's position, as documented on their website The Truth About Oil Consumption, claims all engines burn oil, and extended oil change intervals from 3,000 to 6,000 miles simply make the consumption more noticeable. My recommendation, based on documented patterns: check your oil level at every fuel fill up, or at minimum every 3,000 miles. For 2011 through 2014 models with affected engines, check even more frequently. 1 quart low might seem minor, but according to verified owner reports on Subaru forums, engines have suffered catastrophic rod-bearing failure from running just 1.5 quarts low. Oil is cheap. New engines cost $8,000 or more. Tire matching, the AWD system's Achilles heel. According to Subaru's published technical specification documented across Subaru Outback forums and verified by All-Wheel Drive Auto Specialty Shop, maximum allowable tire tread depth difference is based on circumference. The official specification states tires must remain within 1/4 inch of circumference difference. Using the circumference formula, this translates to approximately 1.330 seconds of an inch maximum tread depth difference according to mathematical analysis performed by forum members on Subaru Ascent Forum. However, most tire shops and service centers use simpler measurements. According to All-Wheel Drive Auto's published FAQ from November 2012 and verified across multiple Subaru specialty shops, the practical guideline is no more than 230 seconds tread depth difference right to left and no more than 330 seconds front to rear. Some sources, including discussions on Subaru Crosstrek forums, cite 330 seconds maximum difference across all 4 tires as the working standard. Here's why this matters. According to tire physics documented by Tire Rack and Sierra Subaru technical information, a tire with 1030 seconds tread depth has a calculated diameter of 24.97 inches and rolls 835 times per mile. The same tire worn to 830 seconds has a diameter of 24.84 inches and rolls 839 times per mile. That 4 revolution per mile difference creates continuous strain on the center differential and transfer clutch. The financial consequences are real. According to verified owner reports across Subaru forums, center differential damage from mismatched tires results in torque bind, accelerated wear, and eventual failure requiring transmission removal and rebuild. Repair costs range from $2,000 to $4,000. All because of tire circumference differences most people can't even measure accurately. Here's your solution. According to multiple Subaru specialty shops, including All-Wheel Drive Auto, tire shaving services can match a new tire to 3 worn tires. The service costs $25 to $35 per tire, according to Tire Rack pricing, far less than replacing 4 tires or repairing AWD system damage. Rotate your tires every 6,000 miles to maintain even wear across all 4 positions. Use a tire tread depth gauge, available for $2 at most auto parts stores, to monitor differences before they exceed specifications. These 3 maintenance requirements share a common thread. Subaru's engineering prioritizes performance and capability, but that engineering demands precise maintenance that most owners either don't know about or choose to ignore. According to consensus across Subaru specialty forums, including Subaru Outback forums with documentation spanning 2 decades, the majority of major Subaru failures trace directly to maintenance neglect rather than manufacturing defects. Consumer Reports data and owner surveys consistently show Subarus achieving over 250,000 miles with proper maintenance. The key phrase is proper maintenance. That means CVT Fluid changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, regardless of what your service writer claims. It means checking oil levels frequently and addressing consumption issues immediately, rather than waiting for the low oil warning light. It means maintaining matched tire sets and monitoring tread depth differences religiously. Here's what you need to do starting today. First, check your oil level right now before you finish watching this video. Second, find out when your CVT fluid was last changed. If it's never been done and you're past 60,000 miles, schedule it immediately. Third, measure your tire tread depth at multiple points on each tire and document the differences. These aren't optional suggestions. These are documented requirements based on thousands of owner experiences verified across multiple forms and technical sources. The information exists. The evidence is overwhelming. The only question is whether you'll act on it before you become another expensive lesson for the next Subaru owner. Drop a comment below with your model year and current mileage. Tell us if you've been following these maintenance requirements, or if this video just saved you from a major repair bill. Have you experienced CVT failure, oil consumption issues, or torque bind from mismatched tires? Your experience helps other owners make informed decisions. If this information protected your wallet, hit the like button and share this with other Subaru owners who need to see it. Subscribe for more fact-based automotive content that respects your intelligence and your budget. Sources are linked in the description so you can verify every claim yourself.